welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is such an exciting one. I wasn't even sure if I was gonna vlog this because I was just like, oh, I don't know, this is so weird. I have moved out for the very first time ever. It's a thing, like it's happening. I've moved out, I've moved to a completely new place I've never been, so I've decided to move to Birmingham. Anyway, I feel like I'm rambling and you guys probably just want to see an apartment tour, which is what this is going to be. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this, I don't know if I'll make it a thing. Let me start from the front door. Okay, so this is the front door. This is where you walk through, and then to your left is this cute little nook. So this place is actually furnished, which I really wanted because I didn't want to be buying a bunch of furniture. Yeah, this is the entryway. I really like the floors. They feel really sturdy, like it's proper wood. Got stairs going up, but we'll check that out in a bit. So we've got two doors here. That is the second bedroom, and this is the living room. So we walk in here, we've got the sofa that was already here. I've actually got a sofa cover for this, so you'll see it once I've decorated, but I've got a sofa cover because I just don't want to deal with the possibility of messing this up and then getting in trouble for it. So yeah, I think it's a sofa bed as well. I've not checked, or I know this bit has storage in it because I was just checking, so that's cool. Also came with this lamp, but also came with this side table as well. So it's really confusing me when it comes to decor. I really wanted to do gold accents, but I've got brass, like a coppery brass, and I've got silver. So there's gonna be a lot of metals that are gonna be mixed in here. It's so funny. I've been watching lots of like apartment tours and stuff, and people are always like, sorry, I can't show you my view because it would really give away where I live. And I never really like properly understood it until I've gotten here. And yeah, the thing across the road would really give away where I live, possibly. Got a lovely navy blue kitchen. I think this is what really sold it to me. Well, not sold it to me, rented it to me. I get it, but anyway, the kitchen is just so beautiful, and I just love all that storage space up there too that they've got. There's the sink, the cooker area, got everything. For some reason I thought I had a dishwasher and I was so excited, but it turns out that I don't have a dishwasher, and I'm kind of upset about it because I really bigged it up. So anyway, going out of the living room. Okay, so I've had to put down the blind because again, I just have a massive giveaway across the street of where I live. So hopefully I don't forget that when I'm vlogging and I accidentally show it. But anyway, this is the second bedroom, and it's gonna be my office area. So I'm gonna have a desk going across there. There's a lovely mirror that they've left as well. It looks like an IKEA mirror, I think. And I think this is like a rail where you can put clothes, which is pretty cool. Then the really cool thing is that this room has an ensuite. I think that is so cool, like to have an ensuite. And then there's a lovely shower. It's kind of loud now, so you can't hear me very well, but yeah, there's a really good sized shower in there, so guests can use it, and I'll probably use it as well for like days where I just want to use my ensuite shower. But we're gonna be heading upstairs now. It's a pretty big like area. Wow, there is such a big echo because like, look at this. It is so big. It's crazy. And that's where I just came from. It's just crazy. I've never had this much space in my whole entire life. To the hallway, nice little window area. Then we've got the bathroom there, got the bedroom. I'll start off with the bathroom. So it's a really big bathroom. Like again, you can probably hear the echo in my voice. Everything, again, they left it really dirty. I don't know if that's like a normal thing, but yeah, it's got a really nice sized tub actually. But yeah, it's kind of gross because it's actually dirty. I'm not sure why. I feel like it's one of those things like maybe they were doing works and whoever like the builder or whatever it was just left it a bit dirty. But that's a really nice sized tub. I like the shape of it as well. And I like that that's there. So then when you don't get poked by the, I love that. yeah, it was definitely a man who left the toilets like this, because look at that. And I've got lots of storage space underneath there as well. There's so much space in there, which is really cool. Gonna close that. And here, I didn't even do like a proper reveal, but here we have the bedroom. Got a nice big bed, and I just loved this. I love being woken up by like natural light, especially during the summer. So I just love that. Obviously there are curtains, but I just love that the light will be spilling into my room. Some lovely IKEA furniture here for me. Ooh, there's space underneath here too. Is that a drawer? Oh my gosh, wow, there's so much storage. Okay, that's good. But yeah, and then I got excited because I thought this was another like wardrobe area to hang stuff up, but it's just got a boiler in it, so I'm gonna have to find somewhere else to like hang my clothes. Okay, I'm just gonna prop you guys up on here so that I don't have to keep holding it. But yeah, that was my super quick empty apartment tour. I have never done this before, so I'm sorry if it was not the best, like getting everything in short. I've watched so many, so I just try to like rush through it because sometimes they can be a bit long. So yeah, it hasn't really sunk in yet that I've moved. Like it feels like I've just gone to stay at an Airbnb. So when you guys saw me staying at an Airbnb in Birmingham a few vlogs ago, that's why I was here. I was trying to decide whether I was going to be coming here, and I was here for work as well. This is exciting. I don't even know what to say like in this vlog. It's just like I moved to Birmingham. This is my first time moving out. The longest I've ever spent away from my mum was like a month. I mean, now it's not even like I will spend a long time away from my mum because I know I'll just go back home and visit a lot. But it's just gonna be weird not seeing her every day like I have like for the past 25 years basically. Yeah, this is weird, guys. Like I'm in that stage where like I'm a bit excited, but I'm more nervous. Like it's a nervous excited, like I can't believe this is happening. Anyway, I've got to get unpacking. I've got all my stuff in my car. I basically like drove up, which took like 3 hours. I just tried to shove as much stuff as I could, and so I'm gonna have to go back and forth and do a few trips to drive stuff up here because yeah, I had a lot of stuff and that was the best way to do it. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this. I don't even know if I'm gonna upload it because I don't even know how I feel. This feels so weird. It feels like it's not me. This is not my life. I don't know what's going on, but I'm here, so I've moved out. Stay healthy, stay luscious, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!